no point trying to stop it. You see, you're just like everyone. When the shit falls, all you wanna do is run away and hide all by yourself. When there's fall from, there's nothing else. When your mind's made up, when your mind's made up, there's no point trying to change it. When your mind's made up, when your mind's made up, there's no point even talking. When your mind's made up, when your mind's made up, there's no point trying to fight it. When your if you ever want something and you call, then I'll come running. I don't know you, but I want you all the more for that. Words fall through me and always fool me, and I can't react. And games that never amount to more than they're meant will play themselves out. Take this sinking boat and point it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You make it now. Falling slowly, eyes that know me, and I can't go back. And moves that take me and erase me, and I'm painted black. Well, you have suffered enough and warred with yourself. It's time that you won. Take this sinking boat and point think it's time we give it up and figure out what's stopping us from breathing easy and talking straight. The way is clear if you're ready now. The volunteer is slowing down and taking time to save himself. The little cracks they escalated before we knew it was too late for making circles and telling lies. You're moving too fast for me, and I can't keep up with you. Maybe if you'd slow down for me, I could see you're only telling lies, 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 breaking us down with your lies, lies, lies. When will you learn? The little cracks they escalated, and before we knew it was too late for making circles and